Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away, but I'm back. And today I have a lovely recipe for you. Perfect for Valentine's Day, especially if you want to make it with your little ones. Today we're making easy vanilla and chocolate crepes. And the best part, everything goes in the blender so it's super kid friendly. We'll start with 2 eggs. I crack them into a bowl first. This is a great step to let kids help with. Then I add the eggs to the blender, followed by 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, a little vanilla, and 1 cup of flour. So the rule is simple: 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour. Now we blend everything together just like making a smoothie. Once it's blended, I transfer the batter into a bowl so we can start cooking. As you can see, the batter is quite liquidy, thinner than pancake batter, and that's exactly what we want for crepes. For the filling, I'm using this chocolate because it has hazelnut pieces inside. I love it because it melts nicely and gives a little crunch. I break it into small pieces so it's ready to use. Now let's cook. I pour about 1 ladle of batter into the pan and swirl it around to make it thin. Once you see the edges starting to brown, it's ready to flip. Look at that beautiful golden color. That comes from adding a bit of sugar. I cook it briefly on the other side, then place it on a plate. While the crepe is still warm, I add a bit of chocolate, or Nutella if you prefer, and fold it just like this. For the other half of the batter, I add a little cocoa powder. Mix it well and cook it the same way. And here you have it. Serve it with some fresh berries and enjoy. I really hope you make these with your little ones this weekend. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I also have many more cooking with kids recipes coming your way, so make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.